Okay, we're going to take a look at how to subtract fractions with the same denominator and then how to simplify those numbers, okay? So today is simply just how we subtract with the same denominator. I'll show you another one later with different denominators, just same denominators today. So when we subtract with the same denominator, we just keep it the same, okay? You don't go 10, take away 10. Just keep the denominator the same. So now I'm going 8, subtract 3. So 8, 7, 6, 5. 8 take away 3 is 5. So now I'm left with 5 out of 10. This is a nice fraction, but I can make it smaller. Why do we simplify? Generally to make it easier to recognize the number and be like, oh, I know what that number means. If the fraction is too big, we might be confused, and it's easier to avoid confusion with having a smaller fraction. So once I get my result, I need to find a number that divides into the top the same as the bottom. So 5 goes into 5. So I'm going to go, and I know 5 goes into 10 because I'm really good at my 5 times table. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. That's how we simplify after adding our fractions. So I'll show you another video on how to simplify. But once we subtract and we get our number, we then want to make it a little bit smaller so that it's more recognizable and readily understandable. Let me show you one more example. Let's do out of 15, let's go 10 minus 5. So I've got 10 out of 15, subtract 5 out of 15. My answer is always going to have the same denominator. As long as my denominators are the same, I don't have to do anything differently. My numerators, I subtract. So 10 subtract 5 is 5. Now I'm left with a correct answer. There's nothing wrong with this, but it could be simpler, making it easier for us to understand. So I need to look at a number that goes into the top and a number that goes into the bottom. 5 fits into the top, 5 fits into the bottom. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So there we go. Good luck.